Hello friends, welcome back in Mini Programmer channel. Today we gonna make a car racing game in C Sharp. Let me show you the demo first. Here is the control over there. I'm just collecting the coins and you can see the coins incremented by 1 as I collect 1 coin. Now you can control up the speed by up arrow key and down arrow key. When I press up arrow key the game speed up, and when I stuck with that particular one the game over. So let's see how we can make it. File, new project. It would be really easy and almost take 20 minutes to make this game. So let's start. I just create a new project named car racing game. Here I type some of the properties, like I set the size 400 by 500. Okay, and I set its back color gray. Alright, now I just take the picture box, draw one line, fill this color with white. Alright, now keep pressing Ctrl key. I can copy I have made multiple objects that vertical lines. I copied one of this line, okay, and dragged it up like this, and copy this line over there. So our road look like a road. Now in first step we're gonna move these lines to show the fact we are going forward. So let me check. This is picture box 2, picture box 3, picture box 4 and picture box 5. To move these lines I make our timer first, but before coding let me design a complete okay. Now go to timer. Here I enable it to true and set interval 10 milliseconds. Alright, now in interval here I first of all make a function okay. Here I write void move line in speed. In this I pass the speed of the lines. Here I write picture box dot one dot top plus is equal to 1. Okay, plus is equal to speed. We'll start it from 2 and copy that. Three, 4 and 5. Now I execute this function by passing the value speed 5 and run it. Here you can see how the function is running. What I need to do, I need to remove this line that was overlapping one of them. Now what I need to do, when this line cross from this, it start over again from that top. So for that I use if condition. If picture box 1 dot top is greater than is equal to 500, then picture box dot 1 dot top is equal to 0, else picture box 1 dot top plus is equal to speed. Alright, what I do, remove it. What I do over there, when this line come over there, there will be the y-axis is equal to 500. When it get 500 or more, it will start from over again. Now copy that code. Right, here you can see our line just start moving, and here is you are seeing the collapse. To cover it, you need to manage the distance between them accurately. Alright, when you manage the distance between them accurately, it will look like more better. Now without wasting time, here I draw one more picture box. This picture box is for my car. I choose an image, PNG image, which has transparent background. Here I choose stretch image. Alright. I named it car so I can call it easily. Now what I need to do, I will control the movement of this car from left to right. So in form, I generate an event key down event. Here is key down event. Now I write if here I write if e dot keycode is equal to keys. So you can use any of the key from there of keyboard. I write left key when I type left key. Okay, when I write left key here, what we need to do is car dot left is equal plus is equal to -1, and if e dot keycode is equal to keys dot right here I write car dot left is plus is equal to 1. Now here you see there, but here you see it's gone outside of the boundary of a program. To manage this, first I manage the speed, this speed. Okay, now if here I write if car dot left side is greater than 0, if car dot left less than 500, so this increment will be imposed. Now you see here I stuck over there and here I stuck. I didn't stuck. Why? Alright, I said 500, but my form width is 400, so I need to set 400. Now check. Now card right is greater than 400, less than 400. Okay, now set the value to 380 so it looks more professional. Okay, now we have solved it out. Now let's move this. Here I write in speed, game speed is equal to 0. Now I write if e dot keycode plus is equal e dot keycode is equal to keys dot up, then what should it do? Now here I type the limit of the speed. If game speed greater than less than 21, so game speed plus plus, so it incremented by 1. If e dot keycode is equal to keys dot down, if game speed will greater than 0, game speed minus minus. Now see, it's not working as it should. Here I write oh sorry, I'm just controlling the movement of left right, but I need to control the movement of lines basically. That is speed, game speed. So I set it by default 8, and game speed will be managed over there, game speed. So I pass this value. Now see, alright, here is slowing down and stop, and here is the full speed of the game. So we manage the speed. Alright, now I just click control 1, 2, 3 and choose these images. These are enemies card, and we need what we need. Here I write the name of these picture boxes as enemy 1, enemy 2, enemy 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. When I intersect with there should be appear game over. Here you can see these are not moving, and these are, and when I intersect with that, my car stuck with that, the game should be over. First we move these downward. Similarly, what we need to do to move it downward, I make here another function void enemy here I copy this one, copy, paste. Here I write enemy, now check one of the enemy moves downward. You just execute that program function, here you see hand is coming downward. I hear pause game speed over there. Okay, first I what I want is, here you see that particular car coming, this particular car coming from the same location, but what I want, when it disappear, it comes from a different location. So what I need to do, here I write a random here I create an object of random class. Now here I write r.next. Here I write, first I make two variable x and y for x-axis and y-axis of the picture box location of enemy 1. Here I write x is equal to r.next random. Here I pass some parameters. I want that this car appears from this to this particular area. So to move that particular car in a particular area, here is 0 and here is 400. I type 0 to 200. It will generate any of the random number between 0 to 200 of x-axis, and I need the cars above that particular car. So here is the location is 64. I type 65 and 330, 0 to 200 and y-axis. Y-axis 0 to 350. Yeah, 0 to 400 would be better. So now you see when this car disappears, here I need to pass out the new location enemy 1 dot location is equal to new points. Here pass the parameter x and y, which are the random numbers. Here you see I disappear, it comes from a different areas. But I want the y-axis always should be 0, so I remove the y-axis and here type 0. Now you see it will comes different location but from the top, so it's look more real. Okay, now pass other two enemies. Here I paste it, enemy 2, enemy 2, enemy 2. Here I set the range 0 to 400, and for enemy 3, enemy 3, enemy 3, enemy 3. Here I pass the value of enemy 3 to 200 to 350. Okay, so here how our program look like. It's coming from the different locations. Alright, now I need to, let's set game over. Before, okay, so where is game over one? I here drag a label. I set the text game over. Game over, and here I alright, come on. Game over. Here I change the color text to red and back color to yellow, so it looks more prominent. I got the initialize components. Alright, what's the name of that label? I set it to over. I set here over dot visible is equal to false. So when we start the game, it will be invisible. And here I write void game over. I make another function. I'm working function wise, so the code wouldn't be junky and more reliable to change. Now if card dot bounds dot intersect with enemy 1 dot bounds, I'll perform two of operations over there. One timer 1 dot enable is equal to false, and over label visible is equal to true. Okay, now here you see, now what's the error over there? Okay, you are expecting that particle. Okay, now here you see, whenever, where is the enemy one? I forget to execute this function in timer. Game over. Okay, now check. Here you see the game is over. When I intersect with that, the game is over. In game over, I copy that code, and here enemy 2 and enemy 3. That's it. Now when you intersect with any of them, the game will be over. Now, without wasting more time, I write picture box with, okay, just copy that. I select the coin for points, and here I pass the size of 25, so that will be the accurate size. Okay, I copy these coins 4 times. This and this both are functioning will be same, but when this card intersect with that particular, the game should be over. But when card intersect with that particular, the coins or points should be incremented. Here I write label and text coins is equal to 0 and set the font sizes coin 0. Okay, so for that now, so now here I need to move these coins downward. First I type coin 1, coin 2, coin 3 and coin 4. Okay, first move it downward. I just copy that. I just copy that and paste it there. Remove it. Name it with coins. Here is coin 1. Okay, and here is coin 1. Now to move downward, now you see one of the coin, you will see downward. No coin is coming downward. But why? Because I didn't execute it in now see. Here one of the coin is coming downward, so I just copied that card, copy coin 2, coin 3, and coin 4. Now change the coordinates. Now here we see how the coins come from upside. They are coming from different location. Okay. So what I need to do now, I need to increment the coins. Here I write int coin collected coins is equal to 0 and Now here I make another function of collected coins. Coins collection. I'll just copy that card because card will intersect with the coin 1, and here I write collected coin plus plus, and what is the name of that label? Label 1. Alright, label 1 dot text is equal to coins is equal to plus collected coin dot to string, and execute this program in timer. Coin collection. Okay, now see, it's not working correctly, but why? Yeah, right, if card dot pointer intersect with coin, copy to coin 3, coin 4. Okay, now check. Now you see it's giving me so much values, so I need to set the delay of incrementation, and I need to do that when it intersect with this coin disappear and come from upside. So for that I just copy this code. Where is coin? This code. Copy and here is coin collection and paste there coin 1, coin 2, coin 3, and here coin 4. Now see, when my car pick 1, now it's working correctly, and coin disappears. So here we complete the game. So let's take a fresh demo. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here I speed it up. So let's see how many coins I just collect in my own developed game. So I just score it in. Hope you enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Stay blessed.